Hello class, today we're going to be working on words that begin with the GL blend. Okay, so go ahead and write your name at the top of the page. Okay, you do it with pencil please, even though I'm doing it with a pen, because if you make a mistake you can erase it, and if you have a pen you cannot. Okay. Anytime I'm moving too quickly for you, you need more time, pause the video, okay? Because I'm going to go quickly sometimes. All right, so here we go. Let's look at these words. Sound of the G is G. Sound of the L, L. And that blend is gl, gl. The UE together makes the oo sound. So let's read this word. G, L, oo. What is this word? Yes, it's the word glue. Okay, find a picture that matches the word glue. If you said this one, you're absolutely right. This is a picture of someone putting glue on a paper. So let's take this word glue and write it here. Now G is a fall. That means it starts at the dashed line, down to the bottom, back to the dashed line, and then it has a tail that goes underneath the bottom line. Okay? G. L is a tall, starts at the top and goes down to the bottom. U is a small, starts at the dashed line and stays between the dashed line and the bottom line. And E is also a small. So it's fall, tall, small, and small. Go ahead and write that down. And when you're done, cross it off over here. Okay, if you need more time to finish writing the word glue, go ahead and pause the video. I'm going to move on to the next word, okay? Right here. Let's work on this one. Sound of the G. Do you know what sound it makes? G, right? Sound of the L. L. And what does it sound like when you blend the two together? Glue. 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 Okay. Sound of the O. Ah. And sound of the two S's together. S. Even though there's two S's, it only makes one S sound. S. Okay, let's blend it. Here we go. G. L. Ah. S. What is this word? Did you say gloss? You're absolutely right. It's the word gloss. Okay, which one of these pictures matches the word gloss? Yep, this one right here. See how she's putting gloss on her lips? Okay, G, again, is a fall. Starts in the dashed line right here. So like a C, and then up to the dash line, then down below, see, and then down below. L, O, S, S. Go ahead and write down the word gloss. Okay, if you need more time, be sure to pause that video. Pause the video so you can finish writing down the word gloss. We're going to cross it off. We're going to go to the next word. Okay, so this one has 1, 2, 3, 4 sounds. The first sound is a G. What sound does the G make? G. Very good. And then the L. What sound does the L make? Ooh. And how do they sound together when you blend them together? Glue. Glue. Here we go. Okay. Now the O and the E together make one sound. O. Okay? This E changes this O into from an ah to an O sound. Okay? And at the end it's silent. You don't hear the E, but you hear that. And then the B has a B sound. So let's read this word. Here we go. Starting with the G. G. L. O. B. Remember, the E at the end is silent. So what's this word? Yes, it's the word globe. So which one of these pictures matches the word globe? Yep, this one. This is a globe. The globe is a model of the planet. So here we go. Fall, tall, small, tall, small, globe. Go ahead and write that down. Pause the video so you can write it down. Okay, hopefully you paused the video and you wrote down the word globe. If you didn't, please do that now. Okay, let's go to this one right here. Okay, this one has 4 sounds. First sound is G, G, right? Second sound is L, L. Next sound is the short A, A, and the last sound is the D, D. What word is this? Yes, it's glad. G, L, A, D, glad. Okay. Which one of these pictures matches the word glad? This is it. See how he's glad? So let's write glad here. Okay, go ahead and pause the video and write it down. Okay. Hopefully you wrote down the word glad. If you didn't finish, pause the video now so you can finish. Okay, and then unpause it when you're done. Okay, I'm going to cross off the word glad. And we're going to go on to this word right here. Okay, sound of the G. G. Sound of the L. L. Sound of the A. Ah. Sound of the 2 S's together. S. So even though there's 2 S's, we only make 1 S sound. S. Okay, let's read this word. Ready? Begin. G. L. A. S. What's the word? If you said it's the word glass, you're absolutely right. Glass. So which one of these pictures matches the word glass? If you said it was this one, you're absolutely right. There is a glass. So let's write it down. Go ahead and pause the video and write that down. Okay, so let's move on to the next word. Okay, right here. Sound of the G. G. Right. Sound of the L. L. then sound of the A-R-E together. Air. Okay, the whole thing is the air sound. So let's read this. We ready? Here we go. G. L. Air. What's the word? If you said glare, you're absolutely right. Glare. Which one of these pictures shows us the word glare? Here it is. When there's too much light, it's glare. So here it is. G. L. A. Go ahead and write down the word glare and cross it off here. And so pause the video so you can do that now. Okay, so let's move on to the next word right here. Okay, here we go. Sound of the G. G. Right? Sound of the L. Ooh. Okay, sound of the O-V together. Of. S. Okay, so this is a little tricky, okay, because it's G. L. V. S. That E is silent. Gloves. Right there. Gloves. Go ahead and write the word gloves right here. Okay. If you didn't finish writing down the word gloves, pause the video now so you can finish writing it down. Now you have 2 words left. Okay? 2 words left. So you have the word gloomy, which means sad, and glider, which is a plane that doesn't have an engine. It moves with the wind. So gloomy means sad, and glider is a plane without an engine. It just floats on the wind. So, which one of these is gloomy and which one is glider? Go ahead and write it down. Okay, I'm not going to tell you which one is which. You have to write gloomy on the sad one and glider for the plane. Okay, so gloomy would go here. Glider would go here. Go ahead and write those down, okay? And then you're done with this exercise for today.